The Q905 Plus portable mill and resaw blade is a redesign from our 905 series. We took that 905 and enhanced the steel in it, and we added 5% chrome to the backer. The 905 Plus is 6% wider, and it generates about 15% more beam strength. And beam strength is important to get straighter, more accurate cuts and reduces vibration. The 905 Plus is built for high production. You can cut any wood with it, whether it's hardwoods, frozen, tropical, it'll cut any wood you have. This blade is enhanced with the CV74 high-grade steel, along with the M42 Cobalt high-speed steel tooth tip that's precision ground with our ground tooth technology. This tooth has great ejection on the wood fibers, and this blade outperforms all other carbon-based blades on the market. If you buy blades from Sawblade.com, you're going to get a very competitive price. We guarantee all of our product. The blades are available same day. We provide service, parts for many saws. The 905 Plus is an upgrade. It's got the higher grade steel, the ground tooth technology. It'll outperform all your standard blade in the market. So if you're looking for one that's going to outlast what you're currently using, give us a try. I'm George with Sawblade.com. Thanks for watching. Remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.